Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the mesh so you can fix issues without breaking the original. Duplicate the object and enter edit mode. This protects your work. Once done, enable wireframe and X-ray to spot non-manifold edges, interior faces, and overlapping vertices. Make sure to apply scale and rotation so normals and transform-dependent modifiers behave predictably. Don't waste time on surface-level cleanup yet. First, identify non-manifold geometry, duplicate vertices, and stray faces that cause shading or You now repair topology and normals because those are the usual culprits. Start with merge by distance at a small threshold to collapse duplicates. This removes invisible overlapping verts that break smoothing. Then recalculate normals outside to correct shading. If some faces look wrong, flip them individually. This prevents lighting artifacts. Once normals are consistent, fill holes with the Fill or Grid Fill tool and clean up unnecessary edge loops with Dissolve. These steps reduce geometry complexity and make subsequent modifiers work reliably. You finish by applying and testing changes so the mesh is production ready. Reapply modifiers in the proper order. For Boolean operations, use a remesh or solidify pass to avoid loose geometry. Next, set smooth shading plus auto smooth or edge split to preserve hard edges while keeping smooth surfaces. Make sure to test in both viewport and a quick render. If problems persist, isolate the bad region with bisect or export that section to OBJ for debugging. That targeted approach helps you pinpoint stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.